Greetings, everyone. In this video, we're going to take a look at Google Slides and how you can make them interactive. I will show you how to change the slide dimensions, add a locked background, drag piles, and how to share. Let's get started. Here I have a slide that asks the students about their learning styles. And I have placed smiley faces over here that they can move to place under their desired learning style. I'm going to show you how to recreate this slide. First, we'd like to start off by adding a slide, and we just want a blank slide, so we'll click over here on the plus sign, choose blank slide. And I'm going to show you how to change the dimensions on this side. If you're going to just view a slide, then you want the larger. But if you're going to have the students work on a slide, then the normal size will be fine. So if you wanted to change the size of the slide, you click on File, go to Page Setup, and you can change it from standard all the way up to widescreen, or you can customize. Widescreen would just be if I'm going to show it on my projector, but I'm going to share this, so I'm going to stick with the standard, apply it, and it leaves me a lot of this gray space to work with to have notes and directions. Now I'm going to show you how to add a background that the students can't move. So I'm going to go to Slide, change background, and I've already saved the background as an image that I want to use. So I'm going to choose image and I'm going to upload and browse my computer to find it. I have it as How Do You Like to Learn? And I'm going to open it. Once it opens, I'm going to click Done. And now this background is set in place. And no matter what the students do, that background will not change. Now I want to add the smiley faces that you saw on the other slide. And I'm going to add that as an image that I'm going to turn into a drag pile. So I've already saved that image as well. So I'm going to go to Insert, Image. Again, I'm uploading from my computer because I've saved it. I'm going to click on the file I want to use and open it. I'm going to set it over in my gray area so I can work on it. This is much too big, so I'm going to go ahead and resize. Always resize from the corner so you don't change the dimensions of your image. And I think that's a perfect size. Now I need to duplicate them to make a lot for the students in my class. So I'll just click on it and hit Control D and create a lot of smiley faces. The more smiley faces you add, the longer it may take to load, but typically it doesn't really affect how fast they load. Now I'm going to do something called lassoing, where I go to the corner and I capture all of my images. Now I can work on them as a pile. I want to arrange them, so I'm going to go to Arrange, Align, and I want them centered to begin with. Then I'm going to do that one more time, Arrange, Align, but this time I want them to be in the middle. And now I have my stacked pile. I can drag this down to the bottom. And now I can have the students pick one and drag it to where they want it. Also, if you delete one, it does not delete the whole pile. They can be deleted individually. Now I want to add some directions for my students. I don't want it on the slide because I don't want to take up that space. So I'm going to insert a text box over here in the gray area for my directions. And I'll just add some directions over here to the side. I want them to choose a learning style and add a smiley. And if they have multiple learning styles, they can choose more than one. All right, I have my directions over here. I have my stack pile and I have my locked background. Now I can share it with my students. I can share it as a link. But if I'm going to share it as a link, I still want them to be able to manipulate the link. I want them to be able to edit. And editing is going to just allow them to be able to place their smiley faces. I can copy that link and share it with them. And here I have my interactive slide. Thanks for watching.